Hi. Welcome to English Fundamentals YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to use these following words. Do, does, did. In English grammar, we call these words to-do verbs. The base form of to-do verbs is do. The words does, did, done, and doing are just the other forms of do. As you can see, to-do verbs have other forms such as doing and done. But as mentioned, we will focus on the words do, does, and did. To-do verbs can function as action verbs or auxiliary verbs, also known as helping verbs. To-do verbs as actions verbs. Check out these examples. She does the job perfectly. The players do a lot of practice. He did great on the exam. As you can see, the to-do verb are all used as action verbs, but they are written in different forms. The question now is, when do we change the form of the word do? To know when to change the form of to-do verb, we need to identify what tense of verb we are going to use, and whether the subject of our sentence is singular or plural. To better understand that, take a look at these illustrations. On the first column, we have the subject. The first group, which is in green text, are pronouns used as subject. These are plural subjects. Except for pronoun I, which is a singular subject, and the pronoun you, which can be a singular or plural subject. But take note that these pronouns always take a plural action verb. The second group, which is in violet text, are also pronouns used as subject. But this time, these subjects are singular. Now, let's check the second column, which shows the present forms of do with plural subjects and singular subjects. If you will observe, we use the base form or the original form do when our sentence is in present tense, and if our subject is plural. As in, I do, you do, we do, and they do. But the form of do changes if the verb is in present tense with a singular subject. As in, he does, she does, and it does. What happens here is, we add es after the word do to form the singular present form of to-do verb. Now, in the third column is the past tense form of to-do verb. Thanks for making this one easy for all of us. As we can see, the form of to-do verb, whether our subject is plural or singular, is just the same. The base form do becomes did. In this case, if your sentence is in past tense, you won't need to bother whether your subject is singular or plural, since there is only one form, which is did. The reason of all these change in spelling is because the word do is an irregular action verb. Now, let's talk about to-do verbs used as auxiliary or helping verbs. It is also common to use do, does, and did as auxiliary or helping verbs, together with another verb in its base form. Using this formula or form, we can create negative sentences, questions, or for adding emphasis. Check these negative sentences using do, does, did with the word not. They don't like to play computer games. She doesn't want to join the team. The people didn't watch the new movie. We usually contract to-do verbs in the word not. Check out carefully how they are spelled. We combine the two words, while replacing the letter O of the word not with an apostrophe. And as you can see, to-do verbs in these examples are used as auxiliary or helping verbs. They help the main verbs. As in, don't like, doesn't want, didn't watch. Again, the main verbs are in base form only. Meaning, they are always written in their original form when used with do, does, and did. Now, here are example questions using do, does, and did. Do you eat pizza? Does he play basketball? Did they complete the exam? Lastly, adding emphasis using do, does, and did. Examples, our players do win games. Tom does break his promises. I did worry about your safety. Did you get all that? Great! It's time for practice. Let's begin. Question number 1. Answer: does. Question number 2. Answer: did. Question number 3. The answer: do. Question number 4. Answer: don't. Question number 5. Answer: didn't. Question number 6. Answer: paint. Question number 7. Answer: does. Question number 8. Answer: didn't. Question number 9. Answer: doesn't. Question number 10. Answer: pass. Alright. So how was it? Did you get all the correct answers? If you feel like sharing your score in the comment section below, please do so. Also, we will appreciate if you can also write your own example sentences using do, does, and did. Need some review? Let's go. Do, does, and did are called to do verbs. The base form of to do verbs is do. Do, does, and did can be used as action verb or as main verb, and as auxiliary or helping verb. Use do if the subject of the sentence is plural and the action is in present tense. Use does if the subject of the sentence is singular and the action is in present tense. Use did when the action in the sentence is past tense, regardless of the subject. When used as auxiliary or helping verb, the main verb must be written in its base form, meaning the original form of the verb, just like these examples. Using do, does, and did, we can write negative sentences, questions, and add emphasis. Examples. Okay, that will be all for this video. Did you learn from this lesson? If you did, please don't forget to like, Hit the notification bell to catch our latest videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. See you in our next lesson. Thanks for watching.